Hello, I'm Dr. Ayan Nongchari, consultant physiotherapist, Faith Hospital. Sitting is the new smoking. Moi aji smoking aro sitting to kile compare kore ase koile to smoking kore aba mohan lungs aste bra damage kore dia ishina mohan bishi dire dire buhi thagishe koile to mohan la body te bimar alak alak bishi develop kore de na jani na. So common conditions kan to ki ase koile heart problems আৰু blood circulation bi beya hoi jai inia koina diabetes kan develop hoi jai আৰু musculoskeletal problems like neck pain back pain joint stiffness আৰু muscle weakness so itu kan sob develop hoi jai mohan na jani na itu kan avoid koribole hotai bohia time te tinta principles yat rakhile bal ase number 1 to bal pra posture bal te bohibo lage number 2 proper support Number 3, every 30 minutes movement thakibo lage. Thank you.